Are we witnessing a remarkable surge in the crypto market?
Exactly. In our top video, we explore Mr. X's insights into XRP and why its potential remains robust despite the SEC's appeal.
You'll get all essential points in minutes, distilling hours of expert analysis for you.
Exactly. With Bitcoin showing newfound momentum and Solana primed for growth, it's critical to stay ahead of the curve.
Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, where we bring you concise summaries of the latest events in cryptocurrency.
Next up, don't miss our teaser for the next video featuring insights from Mr. X on XRP's future.
Join us as we break down the essential insights to navigate this exciting landscape. In this deep dive, we'll explore the future of XRP amidst the SEC appeal and its potential implications for investors.
It's time to decipher why this appeal is more noise than substance. XRP's real trajectory looks promising.
So what's Mr. X's central thesis on the SEC's recent actions?
He believes the appeal serves merely as a tactic to leverage higher fines during negotiations, not to reverse XRP's status.
Interesting. What evidence supports this view?
The summary judgment that found XRP not to be a security was a strong statement, leaving little room for reversal.
Let's trace back. XRP's journey has been quite turbulent. What contributed to its volatility?
The SEC's lawsuit raised doubts about XRP's classification, creating ripples of uncertainty across the crypto sector.
The ruling in July was crucial. What was its significance?
Judge Torres's ruling confirmed XRP's status, highlighting the strength of Ripple's case and setting a precedent.
What's the real motive behind the SEC's appeal?
It's a tactic for financial leverage, not a genuine effort to alter XRP's status.
Moving beyond the legal drama, how's interest in XRP shaping up?
Institutional players are betting on XRP, signaling strong future prospects.
And how does regulation play into all of this?
As crypto matures, regulatory frameworks will shape its future, building more investor trust.
So what does Mr. X predict for XRP's future?
XRP could very well solidify its status as a leader in digital finance, driving global liquidity.
Exciting prospects. What could that mean for investors?
It spells significant growth opportunities and potential returns, even in uncertain landscapes.
To wrap it up, what should viewers take away regarding the SEC and XRP?
XRP's future is promising. Legal battles are noise, while growth potential is crystal clear.
Absolutely. It's all about staying informed and ready to seize upcoming opportunities. Today, we're diving into the latest Bitcoin surge. Can it really rise another 2,700%?
That's the wild prediction. In this segment, George breaks down the recent market movements and the signals to watch.
So what's at the heart of this thesis?
George believes that specific signals linked to economic events often trigger major surges in Bitcoin's price.
Interesting. Can you share what some of these signals are?
For instance, the upcoming elections have historically preceded significant price jumps akin to what we've seen in 2016 and 2020.
Bitcoin hit a high of 695 recently. What's the current situation?
Currently, it's at $678, and while there's been a slight dip, the bullish trend is still intact.
With earnings rolling out, what should we watch for?
Positive reactions from major companies could trigger a rally, particularly if rate cuts are announced.
What about ETF inflows? How significant are they?
Last week saw substantial investments, indicating that hedge funds are capitalizing on Bitcoin's performance.
Are there any predictions for Bitcoin's price as we head deeper into the year?
Given historical patterns, we might see another rally that aligns with upcoming election cycles.
How does trader psychology play into the current market?
The fear of missing out influences many to buy, leading to potential over-leverage risks.
What predictions does George share for Bitcoin moving forward?
He foresees possible new highs based on historical performance related to economic signals.
That's quite optimistic, but can it really repeat that 2,700% rise?
If history is any guide, a significant surge is a real possibility.
To wrap it up, what takeaways should viewers have?
Maintaining a strong investment strategy amidst volatility is crucial. Bitcoin's potential is enormous.
Absolutely. With patience and smart investments, the rewards may be worth it.
Indeed. Keep an eye on those upcoming economic signals. They could be game changers.
In this segment, we're diving into the predictions surrounding Solana's explosive potential as discussed in a recent Crypto Banter video.
The speaker emphasized that Bitcoin's recovery hints at upcoming altcoin rallies, particularly for Solana.
So what's the core thesis of the video regarding Solana?
Essentially, the thesis hinges on Bitcoin breaking a 7-month downtrend, which should catalyze an alt season led by Solana.
That sounds promising. What signs point towards this alt season?
The indicators suggest a shift from Bitcoin dominance to altcoins, with Solana likely taking the lead.
Let's talk about Bitcoin's recent breakout. What does this mean for the market?
A break from the downtrend is significant. It typically indicates a shift in market dynamics.
What are some early signs that alt season is upon us?
The speaker noted heightened activity in altcoins and renewed investor interest, particularly in Solana.
How is Solana expected to perform amid these trends?
Indicators show that Solana is well-positioned to capitalize on Bitcoin's momentum, potentially leading to substantial gains.
What specific predictions were made for Solana?
The speaker confidently predicts Solana could achieve a 400% surge soon, driven by Bitcoin's breakout.
To sum it up, what should investors take away from this?
Adopting a strategic approach towards Solana could yield significant rewards as the market shifts.
Indeed, it's all about timing and positioning in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Today, we're diving into the highlights from the latest Coin Bureau episode that covers everything from Bitcoin's near 70K surge to the lively discussion around meme coins.
Absolutely. As viewers may know, Bitcoin is flirting with the 70,000 mark, yet search trends remain surprisingly low.
What's the main takeaway about Bitcoin and the sleeping interest levels?
Trends show that while Google searches for Bitcoin are down, it's actually a good sign. It could mean less retail pressure for sell-offs.
Interesting perspective. What are some of the on-chain indicators supporting this?
Record ETF flows and increasing open interest suggest a bullish undercurrent, ready to spark retail participation once the narrative picks up.
Let's break down why Bitcoin nearing 70,000 is so significant.
Well, the numbers are promising, especially with ETF inflows hitting record highs.
But why does that low search interest not spell doom?
Because historically, Bitcoin rallies when retail attention is low. It's a setup for an explosive comeback.
The upcoming US presidential election is a big topic. How does it tie into crypto?
Well, election cycles historically influence market sentiment, and predictions suggest Trump is currently in a promising position.
And should he take the win, is that bullish for crypto?
Absolutely. Trump's previous pro-crypto stance and policy optimism could positively influence the market.
Avalanche has been gaining attention lately. What's driving this?
They're focusing heavily on gaming, with major upgrades that could elevate their GameFi narrative.
That makes sense. Gaming is such a hot trend right now.
Exactly, and as more projects launch on Avalanche, we could see significant supply dynamics change.
Moving on to meme coins, there's some buzz around them. Is that right?
Definitely. The rising search trends indicate that meme coins are not just a fad, but captivated the crowd's attention.
What about the associated risks?
While there are opportunities for quick gains, many investors face significant losses. Always do your research.
With ETF flows skyrocketing, how might this impact Bitcoin's trajectory?
We can expect continued price support as inflows strengthen Bitcoin's market position.
Could we see new ATX from this momentum?
If retail interest resurges alongside these inflows, it's entirely possible.
Meme coins are making a comeback. What's the future looking like?
Their resurgence could lead to even louder market chatter, potentially overshadowing Bitcoin.
A lot of hope resting on short-term investments then.
Absolutely, but with a warning, don't ignore the risks.
So, to sum it all up, Bitcoin's showing resilience, yet meme coins are capturing attention.
Correct. Keeping an eye on market dynamics will be crucial for smart investment choices.
Exactly. The balance of risk and opportunity remains key as we advance.
Indeed, continuing education is the way to go.
In today's discussion, we're delving into the implications of Bitcoin's recent rejection. Things aren't as dire as they seem, so stay tuned.
Absolutely. Bitcoin's journey from that recent high of $69,000 sets the stage for crucial market developments ahead.
What's the underlying thesis regarding Bitcoin's price action?
Lark emphasizes that while the pullback is notable, key support levels as low as $62,000 remain viable for a bullish rally.
Interesting. So, corrections from high points might not indicate panic?
Exactly. It's about viewing these fluctuations through the lens of overall market health.
Let's discuss Bitcoin's recent performance. It peaked at $69,000, but faced a pullback.
Correct, yet this range includes key indicators that should keep us optimistic regarding support.
What about key resistance and support levels?
Support lines at $62,000 and $66,000 are critical. These levels help frame our market outlook.
Could institutional investors sway Bitcoin's price movements?
Definitely, their buying behavior historically precedes major price rallies.
What about the overall sentiment in the market?
Lark observed a significant inflow of $270 million into Bitcoin ETFs, indicating strong institutional interest.
What does Lark foresee for Bitcoin ahead?
Should Bitcoin surpass $74,000 with confidence, it could signal a significant upward trend.
What predictions are being made for Bitcoin?
A breakout above $74,000 could lead to a substantial price increase, drawing media and retail interest.
How do miner dynamics play into market projections?
With miners depleting reserves, it positions Bitcoin favorably amidst increasing demand.
What's the takeaway for our viewers?
Remain observant about Bitcoin's support areas. Strategic insights can help navigate potential fluctuations.
So it's important to interpret these levels wisely.
Absolutely. Understanding can empower investors for upcoming opportunities.
So, as we wrap up, let's dive into the core themes from today's discussion.
Absolutely. Mr. X shed light on how XRP's potential remains intact despite regulatory hurdles.
That's right. And don't forget George's bold prediction of Bitcoin's possible astronomical rise.
Right? And the buzz around Solana becoming a frontrunner in the altcoin arena is hard to ignore.
Indeed. Yet, the varied opinions on meme coins may reveal the market's unpredictable nature.
Your insights lead to fantastic opportunities, and it's important to stay informed.
We hope you found today's analysis valuable. Remember, if you enjoyed this content or found it helpful, please like and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future insights from the world of crypto.
Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to check out our other videos for more financial insights.